धन्यवाद। आज आप सभी को मालूम है कि हम इलेक्शन कमीशन के पास
प्लीज यू कंटिन्यू ऑनरेबल एलओपी कंटिन्यू।
हमने
प्लीज
इलेक्शन कमीशन के पास सभी पार्टियों के एमपीज लोकसभा और राज्यसभा के हम मेमोरेंडम लेके जा रहे थे। हमको मेमोरेंडम लेके जाने के लिए भी उन्होंने हमको रोक दिया। हम जो उनको मिलना चाहते थे और किसी को मिलने नहीं दिया और उन्होंने सीधा हमको यहाँ पर इम्पोर्टेंट
I'll have to move on. It is not on the bill. It's not on the bill. Sir. Honorable Leader of the House. Sir. I've taken your point, sir. I've taken your point, Honorable Member.
आप लोग हाउस चला रहे
I've taken your point, Honorable LOH.
The discussion is going on.
The Honorable Leader of the House.
The discussion is going on Manipur bill, and I think anything beyond that should not be recorded and should not go on record.
All right, we'll continue. That should not go on record, which is not part of the bill. Dr. Sikandar Kumar ji.
Thank you, sir. The government presented the vote on account in respect of the Manipur budget. In March 2025, the government had taken appropriation for 6 months, ending September 2025. The proclamation of emergency declared on 13th of February 2025 has since been extended by resources passed in both houses of parliament, which has...
Please, let's maintain order in the house, please. Let's meet order in the house. Honorable members.
The budget estimates in respect of...
Let the honorable members speak. Let the honorable members speak. Please have order in the house, please. Honorable members. Please have order in the house. Please have order in the house. Honorable member.
21% lower than the vote on count figures that were presented by me in March 2025. This is an achievable target if we compare the 2024-25 pre-audit actual figures of...
Let's have order in the house, please. Thank you.
Crore. In the Manipur Application Bill 2025, revenue expenditure has been kept at rupee 19,496 crore, which is 26% over the pre-actual of 2024-25. This is inclusive of rupee 1,231 crore revenue expenditure.
Allow him on the time.
As scored under the additional
allowed him on the time
allocation. Fiscal deficit is at 3.5% of GSDP compared to 3.4% during the vote on count budget and 3.7% in the pre-audit actual 2024-25. The government of India is clearly committed to the overall development of Manipur and meeting the aspiration of the people of Manipur. Sir, the Manipur Goods and Services Amendment Bill 2025, Manipur Cabinet issued the GST Amendment Ordinance 2025. 9 June lining state GST law with the Central GST Amendment Act and GST Council Resolution for 2024. Sir, ये जो दोनों बिल जो मणिपुर एप्लीकेशन बिल 25 एंड गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज मणिपुर अमेंडमेंट बिल 2025, इसका मैं समर्थन करता हूं और मैं सभी से भी अनुरोध करता हूं कि इसको जो है वो समर्थन करें और इसको जो है मैं इतनी बातों के साथ अपना बात समाप्त करता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Point of order. Point of order. Please, please. The leader is making a point. Yes, please.
सभापति महोदय,
रूल नंबर, ऑनरेबल मेंबर, रूल नंबर।
मैं इतना कहना चाहता हूं कि सदन की कार्रवाई आपके निर्देशन पे चलती है। आप कार्रवाई में किस शब्द को अंकित करना है, किसका भाषण अंकित करना है, ये फैसला आपकी कुर्सी से होगा, आपकी चेयर से होगा। लीडर एलओपी तो कहा जा रहा है कि आप इसको कार्रवाई से निकाल दें। कार्रवाई से निकाला नहीं जा सकता।
Yes. Now, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji for her reply. No point of order required. Already given. Honorable Minister, reply.
Sir, thank you very much, sir. And I thank all the members who've come here to participate in this debate. Manipur, its budget, its tax revenue raising, potential giving amendment to the bill of the GST are all very critical to the state of Manipur. A full year budget is what is being presented now. Earlier, we had come with a vote on account, but this is the full budget.
Honorable members, please don't come into the well. Please don't come into the well. Please continue.
And
Please continue.
therefore, it is important that the House takes this debate very seriously. Passing a budget is a constitutional responsibility for
Honorable
all of us.
members.
Equally, passing ordinance which was brought in because the House wasn't in session. Now I'm making it as a bill so that it becomes an act. Bills are absolutely critical, constitutional responsibility for all of us. And therefore, I would want this discussion.
Please go back to your seats. Please, Mani Mantri, please come.
So, taking up the Manipur budget bill,
माननीय मंत्री जी की बात नहीं रिकॉर्ड पे जा रही है. Please go.
taking the GST, Manipur GST ordinance to be converted to an act, and also the budget are both very critical to the state of Manipur. And since I'm happy to see the opposition come back into the House, I would expect them to participate in this and allow the Manipur appropriation bill and allow the GST Manipur ordinance to be passed as a law, and respect that we have to have this constitutional duty performed. I would like the opposition, which has taken a lot of interest in Manipur otherwise, to take interest even now and allow Manipur to receive its money, which is its due. And therefore, I would appeal to the opposition to stop